Throughout sports history, the most powerful brand is the U.S. Open. In golf, in tennis, in bowling, the U.S. Open brings together the best of the best. The competition, the winning moment, the emotion. The U.S. Open means prestigious venues. In 2011, the largest attended bowling event in history took place at the famous Cowboys Stadium. Now, in 2012, the excitement travels to Reno, where the competition, the emotion, and the best athletes come together. First, hundreds of hopefuls descend on Reno's famous National Bowling Stadium. Then, Reno's Virginia Street will experience the atmosphere of a major sporting event, with all the fanfare. With the hopes for bowling's first ever $1 million prize for bowling a perfect game in the championship match. June 27th, 2012, Reno, Nevada. Virginia Street and Reno's famous Archway is transformed. Get ready, Reno, for bowling's biggest sporting event. Bowling's U.S. Women's Open, presented by the brands of Ebonite,